There's a train going right behind me. So if you can hear it, I'm sorry. But I'm vlogging today and I do have a shirt on. It was kind of like cut off in there. It looks like I didn't have anything on. I do. It is August 13th, Friday the 13th. That's a little freaky. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Probably just jinxed myself because I said that. But it's 9:26 a.m. I have to be at work at 9:45, but I knew I was gonna vlog this like intro thing, so I'm here early. I was scrolling on Instagram this morning, and I'll put it on the screen here. Barnes & Noble has 50% off hundreds of hardcover books in stores and online while supplies last. So I gotta go. I'm gonna go on my break today. I get 30 minutes for a break, which, I mean, if I take longer, I don't think it really matters. I think I can really take as long as a break as I really need, if that makes sense. But I wanted to film this intro before I went into work, so when I got on my break, I can just run into my car, eat my peaches that I brought for lunch, and then run to Barnes & Noble real fast, and then make it back in time. And my battery's flashing, no freaking way. I literally checked this before I left to make sure I had battery, and obviously I don't. I was gonna vlog in the store, but I guess we'll save that for a different day. But yeah, I will see you guys on my break, I guess, because I don't know. My camera's gonna die now. That's the bad thing that's happening, because it's Friday the 13th. My camera's gonna die before I'm done finishing this vlog. So I'm back home now. As you guys saw, I went to Barnes & Noble. I actually ended up going to Barnes & Noble after work though, instead of on my break. I feel like I'm gonna be rushed if I go on my break and I just want to look around. And Easton ended up going with me, so we did that. I had 5 books picked out that I wanted, and only one of them was on sale, and I ended up only getting 2, and I got both of the Christina Lauren books, Josh and Hazel's Guide to Not Dating, and then Roomies, and I'm excited to read both of these. I know people really love this one. I haven't really heard of this one being talked about much, but it sounded really good. And then I also got some packages from Target, which I already opened one, and then I was mid-opening it, and I was like, why am I not filming this? Because it's more books. And so the first book is The Last Thing He Told Me by Laura Dave. And I actually already got this from Target like a few days ago in the mail, so I don't know if they accidentally sent me 2, if I accidentally ordered 2. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look in my order history, but I got that one. And then we got a whole another big box here that I'm gonna open. I'm actually planning to film a book haul tomorrow after work, and I'm guessing that video is gonna be up before this vlog. So if you're watching this vlog and you want to go watch a book haul, definitely go watch that. It's gonna have literally almost, I'd say over 40 books, maybe even close to 50. I have so many books that I've been buying recently. Literally, I'm so excited. I love getting books in the mail. Okay, the first ones in here is I've been seeing these all over TikTok and I needed to get them. They are Twisted Games and Twisted Love by Anna Huan, I think is how you say her last name. But I'm so excited to read these, and these are thick. I wasn't thinking they were this thick. And then I also got, oh, I don't think this one's for me. I think this one's for my mom. The true story of 3 young girls caught in the web of a coldly calculating killer, their mother. Yeah, this is definitely for my mom. She likes these like scary murder mystery books, and I'm starting to get into the scary murder mystery books, but not as extreme as what she reads. But this is If You Tell, a true story of murder, family secrets, and the unbreakable bond of sisterhood by Greg Olson. And then I got 2 Mia Sheridan books. Archer's Voice is one of my favorite books I've ever read in my entire life. So I got More Than Words and Most of All You. And then, oh, I got this one, The Last Mrs. Parrish, I think is how you say it, by Liv Constantine. I've seen this one all over TikTok. I know people really like this. The font's tiny in this. I don't like that though. But yeah, I'm excited to read this one. The Woman in the Window. Me and my mom, we went around and we went to all the free little book libraries in my town. And this book was in the free little book library. And I was like, oh my gosh, like save that because I want to read it after you read it. And we had a rummage sale last weekend at my grandma's house and she sold it at the rummage sale. So I was like, okay, we need to re-get this because I did not read it. And I should have said this before I showed you all these. But the reason I ordered all these from Target was because every book was 15% off. Plus I had the Target card, so technically it was 20. And so a lot of these, they were really cheap. Like this was only like $7. So I'm like, I gotta get it. And then if you watched my last few book videos where I talk about all my summer books I want to read and all that stuff, you would know I got the UK cover of The Honeymooners, and I actually sold it to my, we have like a used bookstore downtown, and I actually went in and I sold it to them. The lady was so excited, she bought it right away, the worker did, because she wanted it. But I was like, I just can't get myself to read it because I hate this cover, and so I rebought it in the cover that I actually like the cute one. So I got this, and this one was on sale too for like $7. So I'm like, I might as well just get it. I did place another Target order, like I said, because I ended up somehow with 2 of these, and these are the ones that I got from there, and then I got a few up there. But yeah, also my dad got me new bookshelves, which I'm excited for. So I'm actually gonna go take a shower because I haven't washed my hair in a few days and my head's getting itchy. So I'm gonna go do that. And I probably won't update you guys until tomorrow again after work, after I film my book haul, because after I film my book haul, then I want to rearrange this a little bit more, but I don't want to do it now because I'm gonna have to retake all the books out to film the book haul. So I will probably see you guys tomorrow when I get off work. It's the next day. I'm home from work now. I actually just filmed book haul and it is a mess. So I just took a bath, washed my makeup off, and did all that. So now I need to put all these books back on my shelf. I was going to rearrange because now I finally got all my books in that I have bought. Like I'm all cut up on my like shipping process, but I still don't know what I want to do. I think I want to go to Hobby Lobby on Wednesday. I have Wednesday off, so I might go to Hobby Lobby then, see if they have any more like decor stuff that I can like switch out. And then I also am waiting on my bookends to come from Amazon so I can like set them up. My shelves, they're like, I have these things on them, and so the shelf can't fit like flat against here, and so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to order even more bookends just to cover the like ends of these so they don't fall. I don't really know what I plan to do, but I'm just gonna do a time lapse here and we'll see what happens when I'm done. So what I ended up doing is I put all my hardcovers up there, which I think I want to do because I have these hardcovers, and then I did have my Twilight books up here, but I put them in my bookshelf out in my hallway, so I think I'm going to add those up here and then put these. And then here I think I'm going to keep my series going across, so I have these. This one's not part of a series, but yeah, I'll add these up here. I'll switch that around a little bit. And then I have my colorful shelf. I'll keep that going. And then I have my white to black, which I think I'm going to keep because I want to keep these books here. And then maybe, I don't know, I'll figure out that. I don't really like that right now. But yeah, and then I just put up for now all my Gary books right here. So now I think I'm just going to relax. My brother is actually going to get us some dinner. My parents went to my lake cabin. I had to work today, so I didn't go up there for that. So he's going to go with that. And then I'm actually watching the Confess miniseries. It's on like Amazon Video or whatever. Their streaming service is called. But I just bought it on iTunes. It's okay. It's not exactly like the book. I like the book way more, which I feel like that happens with every single film. And then maybe I'll check in later today, or I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I'm currently editing this vlog, and I'm up to the part where I quit editing yesterday. And so I'm just going to end this here. I'm eating some Halloween pretzels that we got at Sam's Club. Me and my mom went the other day. And I'm so surprised that they have like their Halloween candy and stuff out. But yet I'm not surprised because I heard Hobby Lobby a few weeks ago put all like all their Christmas stuff. I don't know, I feel like every single year like stores start doing their stuff earlier and earlier. Like last year at work we did our fall launch, like sweaters and all that, in September, I want to say, and this year we did it on July 23rd. So I feel like every year everything's like sooner and sooner. Also, my eyes are kind of getting swollen again. My neck has this like rash on it. I haven't talked about this in any vlog, I don't think, but my whole face like had a rash on it. Actually, I think I did talk about this in a video. I don't remember which one. But anyway, it turns out I went and got my blood taken. I don't have any allergies to anything, but my IgE test, I want to say is what it's called, was extremely low. You're supposed to be in like 20 to 100 range, and I'm at a 7. And so that actually, let me pull it up here. So it could mean like a few different things. It could be an immune deficiency. It could be, I don't even know how to say it. It's something, this is a rare genetic disorder that causes the immune system to break down. It tends to be disabling and fatal by the time people reach their 20s. Could also be multiple myeloma and certain types of leukemia, which are types of cancers. And my papa actually had multiple myeloma, so that is a little concerning. It's a little scary. Or it could be certain autoimmune diseases such as lupus, some sort of arthritis, and some sort of thyroiditis. And that's what the doctor initially thought, was that I had lupus, and so I'm hoping it's lupus. That seems like the least worst out of all of them. So I actually go on Tuesday, which today's Sunday, I go back to my normal doctor, not my allergy doctor, to try to figure out what I have. So yeah, I don't know, we'll figure that out. But I'm just gonna end this video here, finish off my pretzels, and then I'm gonna upload this next Sunday. I just uploaded my book haul right now. It's going live at 2:30, so in 11 minutes. So if you haven't seen that, go watch it. And then my next video after this is going to be my reading wrap up for the month. Subscribe if you aren't already, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.